So a couple weeks ago, we turned our limo into a hot tub. Anyways, our buddy Mark came. We're gonna try to load this thing up onto this trailer and hopefully get it to the scrapyard before they close. Oh, we're tag teaming it! Nice. Whoa!
What a team.
It almost looks...
So where's Mike? I don't know if we can put that on the internet.
We can. What's up, Ryan? What's up, dude?
Where's Micah?
Listen, man, I don't know what to say.
We got some internal beef here, folks.
No internal beef. Things weren't the way they were. There would be internal beef. Like most friend groups, you'd have internal beef. Unfortunately, my livelihood depends on Micah, so there's no internal beef.
27,000 pounds? Holy, I'm really thinking this limo is gonna be a good payout. What are the odds that you guys could like throw it?
If we use the grapple,
Do you want to grab the grapple?
do you just want to throw it?
I really want to see it get thrown. Doing the grapple. We're doing the grapple. I love the scrapyard. I think we gotta be the only people that come to the scrapyard for fun. Oh my gosh. Woo-hoo! Oh, yeah! Grab it! Yeah? Okay.
WWE right now.
Oh! Oh! That's the spot right there. Oh, the wheelchair!
This limo has been the gift that just keeps on giving.
It really has. Every little last bit of it has been enjoyable, quite frankly.
Yeah, I'm so glad we didn't sell it.
I know, to think we were gonna sell this thing for $4 grand.
I know, dude.
What were we thinking?
No, imagine how much scrap money you could get for a fire truck.
We should get a fire truck. I always tell people it's a serious investment. People sleep on scrap. So what are we weighing in at now? Holy crap! I can't believe that limo weighed 8,000 pounds.
So how'd we do?
678.
Is that our biggest payout?
Yeah,
I think it is.
Sure. That almost makes up for all the lost productivity owning that limo.
We're gonna have our own limo now.
This thing is huge.
See the sun side by side, our fears are done.
Oh shit.
Oh, the
There she
good times
is.
just begun.
Whoa! You hop up there and pull it up.
We know
Holy
what we
shit.
have,
Whoa.
let's hold on tight. Find what we're looking for tonight. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
All right, so this dealership in Wisconsin got in 6 pit bikes and we bought all of them. So we're picking them up right now. We had them delivered.
This is ridiculous.
How many did we buy? 6. Oh, okay, it looks like a lot more in here.
I kicked mine.
Dude, this is just one of those things where it's like, you're gonna reflect back on this when you're like 50 years old and be like, remember that time that we bought 6 pit bikes?
Just a fleet. We're bone dry. We're gonna have to push them to the nearest gas station. How's it running? How the fuck do you get the one with gas?
Somebody's got film.
It's like a scooter.
No, this is the way to do it.
Pull? Ken did not plan on doing this much work today. Let's go!
Alright guys, premium's $3.50. Here we gotta go to a different gas station. Let's see.
$12. Hell yeah.
I used to be in a biker club in LA. I used to be a biker.
Hells Angels?
No, American Infidel. But I used to ride with HA.
Hell yeah. We're trying to like start a biker gang, but I don't feel comfortable on the big bikes yet, so we're starting small, you know?
Yeah. Nice, man.
You want to ride it?
No, I'm good, man. You guys keep on rocking out, man.
All right.
Stay safe out there, man.
Yeah. We'll do.
Later, guys.
All right,
Nice meeting you.
Rubber side down, brother.
You got it.
All right, bro. Take care, man.
Yeah.
Thought I waited in the wrong line. Later I understood I wasn't fine. I am glad you got the information that you could handle the situation.
Motorcycle parking.
Take up one spot. Be that guy.
I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty fun.
We gotta get Ken in that little buggy chair.
Dude.
This is quite the unit.
Do you give rides?
I could.
Would you take this guy?
All right, big cheddar.
Yeah, I think that's about it there.
Oh no, cheddar.
Okay.
Now it's a challenge.
Just the two best friends. Was they weighed down quite a bit with these guys in it?
They were.
You gotta get them on the treadmill.
Yeah.
Ken, I felt violated.
I'm the one that felt violated.
All right, so everyone calls me the bee assassin because I kill all the bees whenever we eat outside. Grabbed them.
Dude, you're gonna get stung.
Bee assassin.
I'm impressed. I don't know how you do that.
Grab them right by the back wings. Oh, I got one.
It's there. It's in your hood.
It's in your hood.
Oh, we got it.
The definition of overkill.
Dude, I was cracking up at the oversized logo. So we got 6 of everything.
All right, so I don't know if you guys remember, but last year we put train horns from hornblasters on my smart car and then went around honked people. Super funny because like it was just super unsuspecting. I hit them up again and asked if they would be able to send us some for the golf cart.
Whoa, that's not a golf cart.
And they did.
Holy
so I don't know like how difficult it's gonna be to wire them up on the golf cart, but we're gonna try and figure it out. Luckily we have mechanic Butch here today. Butch, how do you feel about this?
I did not think they were going to be that big.
It's a train horn set, man.
And also, you got that guy?
So, okay.
Holy shit.
Yeah, this is the same exact set.
Jeez, yeah, it was like-
If we can put them all on here and look good too, I'll be amazed. This is the same golf cart that we got from the golf course when we went reckless golfing. They need to send this golf cart in for testing and then take whatever they know about this and integrate it into this. And the world would be a lot better of a place.
That golf cart literally will not die.
All right, Ken and I just finished putting the train horns on the golf cart. Honestly, turned out amazing. You really can't tell unless you're looking like underneath it. Like it's pretty discreet, especially from afar. Like you don't know there's train horns on that right now.
I have earplugs in and headphones and it's still loud.
Go do a drive-by.
TJ's going deaf already. Train horns are just gonna take him all the way. Oh, CJ, get out of the road, get out of the road, get out of the road! CJ, get out of the road! Get out of the road!
I love the constant. Why are you not moving? The brake caliper's falling off.
Oh, the bolt fell out, bro. Right there.
Yeah. Just fell right out. I mean, no big
Hey, look
deal,
at that
but-
one. It's coming out too.
Yeah, wait, what?
Oh my god.
There we go.
Oh my god.
What the bro, what? How does that even happen?
This is
I don't
why
know.
you don't daily drive your Sema truck.
Everyone in the comment section.
I said earlier today, I think something's wrong with this wheel because it makes a clunky noise and it pulls to the right.
That's what's wrong with you. You bitch about the problem, but you don't fix it.
Can you come with your trailer? Mark goes, yep, that's what happens when you get a truck built in 3 weeks.
Oh, bitch!
We're really making the most of the $100 we paid Mark.
Yeah. Why don't we take the hitch off?
Brian.
I said it. Why don't we take the hitch off? That was painful.
Holy shit.
Unlike you guys, I actually like this truck, so I'd rather not destroy it.
Well, you can always get a new drop hitch. You don't need to replace the truck.
Well, come on. We don't need to buy a drop hitch just for nothing.
Let's just throw the hitch on the limo.
The only truck we got left now is the limo, and we gotta go pick up that trailer. Shit, look at how low this is gonna be. You're not gonna be able to invite any of your girls now. Check out the new limo. It's still relatively shitty, but it's better.
Hey, Steve, drink.
Okay.
Dude, he's gotta put it on himself. Oh my gosh! I forgot.
What does it track?
It just,
You?
yeah, every course that we bring it to, yeah, it just tracks where you go, where you've been. It's kind of random, but it came with it.
Something new, huh?
Yeah?
Technology.
Yeah.
Technology, yeah.
Is not good. No private carts. That would have been good to know, not gonna lie. You guys go ahead, we're waiting for a group. Good shot. Good shot. Let's roll. It's not working. God.
You just pressing it, and then of course it works and then doesn't receive it when I'm trying to turn it off.